Hey everybody, Shabo here, back for another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use particle effects in Roblox. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your particle effects. So I'm going to get a part that I'm going to insert it to. You can insert a part by using this. Next, I'm going to go to View and open up Explorer and Properties if we do not already have that open. Next, we're going to go to Explore, open up Workspace, right click on the part, insert object, and then we're going to insert a particle emitter. Now you can see it emitting particles from the part that you inserted it to. And if you see in here at properties, there are a lot of things that we can change about the particle emitter. You can change the size, you can change the lighting effects of it, you can change the brightness, you can change how long the particles last for, you can change the rate, and you can just change a bunch of stuff until you get what you want with the particle effects. Now if you want to do some more advanced effects with it, like say I wanted them to fade out instead of just disappearing all of a sudden like that, if I go to transparency and then click it, you can see these little three dots on the side while I'm highlighting this. I'm going to click this, and this will pop up somewhere on your screen. I'm just going to move it here. And if you move these little dots around, you can see the transparency slowly changing. So now it looks a lot better because it's fading out like that. And let's say I wanted to go invisible and then go back and then turn invisible again. And basically whenever you turn this up, that's transparency 1, which is basically invisible. And when you put this down, that's transparency 0, which is just completely visible. You can also make it fade in, and you can just mess around with it. If you want a random effect, then let me move all this stuff down here. You can delete stuff by pressing this. So I'm just going to delete all of this stuff. And let's say I wanted to make the effect random. So you can go to envelope here and set up a number that you want. And as you can see, the transparency is random when they're spawning in. And you can change this here too. And anything that's in this range, like say I set it to this, any transparency in this range can be randomly chosen for a particle. Next, I'm going to close that, and you can do the same for size and stuff. Like if I wanted the particles to slowly get bigger, you can see it right there. And that's how you use particles in Roblox. Make sure to slap that like button and punch the subscribe button. Peace.